My name is Cheryl, if you're new, and I am going to be styling this topper. This is the Aura topper from UniWig. I just wanted to show you what I did to create this style that I would be happy to wear during this holiday season. So keep watching. All right, so here's the Aura. It's 12 inches long, the color is espresso brown, and underneath you can see the cap, the center comb, and this is where the filament that they use for the part. So you can put the part, it's a left side part, but you can put it anywhere you want along that filament and then just style it so that it works for you. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my bio hair and bring it to the front. So it seems to be best to grab it this way and just making sure all this little hair is out. These little hair, they have some little hairs in the front, and then just flip it on. And now I'm going to clip it in. This particular topper is called the Aura Skin Left Part Human Hair Topper. And I do appreciate the construction of this because it doesn't pull on my hair. I want to take a little bit of this hair on top and trim it. I just trimmed a little extra front layers, and now I'm going to style it. So this has been one of the best things that has come into my life this year because it gives me the option. My hair is thinner back here and in the crown, and so this just gives me a little bit more confidence.